Hi and welcome on Digital Toolcase, back again with another Black Friday special deal. This is the time in the year where you can find really great opportunities, and I'm here to show you something. Today I'm talking about hosting, and precisely I'm talking about Hostinger. But first of all, thank you for being here. Please click on the like button, and I highly suggest you to subscribe to my channel because in next days, due to Black Friday, I will have some interesting deals to select for you, so you will find them in my community tab here on my YouTube channel, but you need to be subscribed in order to see these kind of posts inside your YouTube. So again, click on the subscribe button so maybe you will not lose interesting deals on this kind of tools that I will show you in next days. Now let's go talking about Hostinger. Hostinger, it's a hosting service and it's the one I'm using for my sites lately. I know many other affiliates talk about other hostings. Sometimes they do it because those hosting plans pay way more for affiliates, but I'm suggesting you something I'm using myself or I used in the past. Another great hosting I used is A2 hosting. Maybe I will leave you the link here below, but in this case I want to talk about Hostinger because as you see here on my screen, they now have a Black Friday deal. Here you see 13 hours in this countdown, but in reality this deal I know for sure will last until December 4th. So if you want to activate this hosting plan before December 4th, you will have this special price and something more. Now stay with me and I will show you all you can have with this deal. This Black Friday deal is available if you choose a 4-year hosting plan. You will have a free domain and SSL. The free domain is only for the first year, but you will pay only $2.49 every month if you choose this 4-year hosting plan with a 80% off. This is a very good deal. Let's go here where there are all the details. As you can see, let me show you here all you can get for $2.49 monthly. This plan usually costs $12.49 every month. You have unlimited traffic. You can activate 100 websites. You have 100 gigabytes SSD storage. You have a free weekly backups. You have 24/7 support. You have unlimited free SSL certificates. You have a free domain for the first year. You have a free email. You have a web hosting optimized for WordPress, and you also have inside a website builder. Is not the one I'm using. As you may know, I'm using Breakdance, or it depends from site to site, maybe other normal blog themes or Breakdance. Anyway, you can also have all this list of things, 100 parked domains, subdomains, DNS editor. You have a one-click auto installer to install WordPress or any script you want. You have email mailboxes, 100 emails, and so on. You can stop the video and watch and read all you can have with this really cheap plan. Please note, this is a shared hosting. Anyway, it's premium web hosting, but it's shared, so it's not a VPS, for example, because that kind of hosting costs way more. Anyway, this is a really great deal, but it's not finished here. Let me show you something. Clicking on Add to Cart here, for example, you can reach this page where you can choose your plan. As you can see, if you only choose 1 month, you don't have any discount. You have this special deal for this 48 months plan. You will pay only $2.49 every month, and the plan renews at $6.99 in 2026. In this case, you have a free domain for the first year, but let me go here, because as you can see, if I click on this, have a coupon code, and I insert this special coupon code, it's Black Friday, until December 4th, you will also have another 10% discount. So as you can see, for 4 years, this is the price with the VATs and taxes and so on. If I click on apply this coupon, as you can see, this goes down to 131. So you have another 10% discount, and your entire discount becomes 82%. This is really good for this hosting. This plan in particular doesn't use cPanel. They have a proprietary panel, it's called hPanel, and as you can see, this is my account inside Hostinger. I have a very easy to use dashboard here, where you can see that I have a cloud startup hosting plan, I have a domain active, I have a shared premium email active, I have daily backups in this case enabled. Here it's warning me that the new WordPress version is available. It's warning me that I have some plugins with some vulnerabilities, so maybe I need to update those plugins. It's telling me that I have no malware in my plan, and if I click on WordPress here, dashboard, I can manage all my WordPress settings from here: HTTPS, maintenance mode, light speed cache. I can flash cache from here, I can update WordPress from here, I have my SSL, I can install other instances of WordPress, I can create my staging site, I also can manage my plugins from here if I want, or if I want I can do it inside my WordPress. As you can see here, I have all my plugins in my Hostinger account. I can manage them also from here. Really interesting. Anyway, it's really easy to use. You have all the kind of controls you need to manage your site. Here you have a file manager, databases, the WordPress dashboard, and so on. Here you have your emails, your domains, your security section, your advanced section, your DNS zone, and so on. This is the hosting I'm using right now. I'm pretty satisfied, so I highly suggest you to use this coupon. It's Black Friday, to take advantage of this Black Friday deal. You will not regret it. I think that's all for this quick Black Friday deal video. Again, subscribe to my channel. I will make other videos with other Black Friday deals in next day, so you will make sure not to lose them. Thank you very much, and see you soon in the next one.